Hello, in this video I'm going to unbox and give you the impressions about this Iniu wireless car charger. Look how awesome it is. Disclosure, this was sent to me by Iniu to make an honest and unbiased review as usual. And before going to the unboxing, let me share that before we made this collaboration, Iniu and me, I was a happy customer for Iniu products, so pretty nice that they thought about me to make this review. So let's see how the box looks. Okay, 3-year warranty, key KYQ to certify VH 11E1. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, I'm getting good. Okay, you can pull this. And we have here this USB-C to USB-C cable to charge. This is a clamp, and a good thing about this stand is that it has two ways for you to fix the charger in the car. This one, if you have those straight vents, but the thing is, for instance, in my car I have that they are rounded, so this one won't be good for me unfortunately. Okay, but you can see once you put it there, you can see this. It takes out, and then you groove it there, and then you can adjust and put it properly. You have this ball head, and you have this vent, this suction cup. Okay, pretty. I'm gonna use this one, and it's sticky, so this will be nice. You have this thing here. Okay, here it's to adjust the suction cup. Pretty nice. And here you have the main charger. Okay, so nice thing is that you have, just let me open, you have here these two buttons to open it. Hopefully, there you go, pretty smooth. This is rugged here in the sides, so it doesn't scratch the cell phone. Just let me try with this, with my iPhone, to see if this is magnetic. Hopefully it is. Yep, it is, as you can see. Okay, and also if you want to use with an Android or so, you can use this. Okay, pretty sturdy. You have here the small head. Here it's where you put the cable. If you want to charge it wireless, or you can connect it directly to the cell phone, it's up to you. And let me put this. Okay, so I'm gonna use it. I believe this should be like this or so. So let me put it there. Okay, I need to release this a little bit, and there you go. As you can see, pretty easy to adjust, and you can move this down. There you go. So I believe it's time for me to go to my car to try this. I completely forgot to mention the rest of the stuff inside the box. Okay, we have this user manual and also this card, so we can register and to access easily to the support. Pretty awesome. Now, yes, it's time to go to my car to try this. So now let's keep with this. Let's see how it works. I need to take this out. Okay, maybe I'm gonna put it. Okay, it's pretty difficult because it has here this screen. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, there you go. Yeah, let me adjust this like this. Okay, You need to have this adapter. I recommend this one from Iniu, the I710. Let me plug this cable. So there you go, it's here, it's sturdy. Okay, you can put it this one because it has this. It could be fixed with a magnet, or you can use this as well, and it's pretty sturdy. Okay, and then you can see that this is charging properly. There you go. Nice, it seems nice. Or you can plug it in. Right now it's charging wirelessly, but you can take this out and use it. Awesome.